Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, you are coming shopping with me. This is the first type of video I've ever done like this, so I hope I don't get in trouble. I hope nobody yells at me for filming in the store, but oh well. And there's already people looking at me weird because I'm talking to a camera in my car. Cool. So I am at Michael's and then I might go to Hobby Lobby after. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go. But those are the two stores that I am at. Michael's is having a really good sale and I think I have a coupon for Hobby Lobby somewhere in my email. But yeah, this is gonna be like a fall decor haul, like getting ready for fall. I'm on the hunt for a chalkboard, a red picture frame, some twine, and like some super simple like garland like with leaves on it. That's what I'm on the hunt for. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it. Side note, I am going to have to film this portion like inside the stores with my phone. I don't have a vlogging camera. I have like a big old fat Canon and it just sounds like a nightmare to film in the stores with that. So I'm gonna film on my phone. My phone is not the worst quality and like I definitely think it will be fine, but if you do notice like a change in like the editing or a change in like the, I don't know, like the video, like that is why, because it's on my phone. So then lastly, oh my god, people are staring at me. Next week on my channel, starting August 27th, is cooking and cleaning week on my channel. So I'm going to be uploading 4 times. It's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's going to be like all fun recipes that I love and a little bit of cleaning mixed in there. So if you are interested in those type of videos, make sure you come back. And as well, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. I definitely want to start doing more of these videos, so I hope you enjoy them. And also, please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I love you guys. Also, Evelyn is not with me, as you can tell, so this is like super exciting, like mom time. Ooh. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get in there and let's get shopping. Hey guys, Editing Jessica is here, and I just wanted to pop on here quick and just ask you guys if you like this kind of filming style, if there's any way I can improve these type of videos, please let me know. This is the first shop with me I've ever filmed, so let me know if there's anything that you want or if I included something you didn't want, that sort of thing. Let me know like if you like to see the price tags or you could care less. I tried to show as many prices as I could, so I will let some music play and we will finish shopping at Michael's. Alright, so I'm out of Michael's and I'm sorry, like I feel like I didn't get a lot of footage. It was packed in Michael's. Like I don't understand why it is so busy in there right now. But they did have a lot of cute things, but like I don't know if this is just me, but like I feel like Michael's is like stupid expensive. Like $70 for a wreath, like come on. But the only reason I did go there is one, I had a great coupon. Make sure you sign up for Michael's rewards programs. I had a 40% off like one regular priced item. So I got my chalkboard for $8. It was just over $8. And I really wanted a white one, like with a white border, but the one that they had was stupid expensive, again, like $40. And then they had like another one that I really liked, but it was too small. Like this was the only one that was like the perfect size that I wanted. So I'm actually gonna try to paint this like wood framing the color of my cabinets. I still have paint left over, so I'm gonna try that. But in the meantime, let's go to Hobby Lobby and see what we can find there.
Come on, tell me all the things we couldn't see, all those moments we keep going on to feel complete, yeah. Come on, tell me all the lies I should have seen. It's all over and it was a world of make-believe. I gotta need to open up my mind. This kind of love, it all just got us blind. The memories we know, we gotta save them so. Just tell me that you won't be here tonight. Please tell me that you won't be. Please tell me that you won't. Please tell me that you won't be. I really need to know. Please tell me that you won't be here tonight. Should we slow down on our playground? Should we take a step or two? Start all over, forget all the past and start anew, yeah. Should we move on? Should I stay strong? Or should I give us one last chance? My mind is trapped now, don't know how we can solve this. Maybe it's too late. I gotta need to open up my mind. This kind of love, it all just
am home now, so let me show you everything that I got at Hobby Lobby. And you guys already saw the chalkboard, but I'll show it again because why not? So this is the chalkboard that I got at Michael's. I got it for about $8. I don't know how much it was originally. I don't even think the price is on the back. No. I think it was 13 or 14. Like I said, I had a coupon at Michael's for 40% off, so that is great. I'm going to try and paint this the color of my cabinets, but it's like a cheap like plywood. I don't know if the paint's going to hold, but hey. So we'll see. So then as far as Hobby Lobby is concerned, I got a red picture frame, which you guys knew I was after. This was on sale, or not on sale, but it was 16 bucks, and then all picture frames were 50% off. The reason I got this is we got married. Our anniversary is October 27th, so I want to like put out more pictures of like our wedding and stuff, because I just think that that's like our colors were very fall, like there was red and orange and stuff like that. So I should add that all of this stuff, like the chalkboard, this, everything I'm going to show you, it's all from my kitchen. So I'm going to put this out like on one of my counters or something. But yeah, I'm really happy I found this one. It's really pretty too. So I got this cute little pumpkin. I don't know, I just thought it was cute and just fun to like put out on the counters and stuff like that. So there's that. And let me show you why I wanted like garland and stuff. So I couldn't find any, like I wanted super simple, like single leaf garland. I can't even really like describe it, but I couldn't find anything like that, and all the garland was like stupid expensive. So I picked up this twine, which I think is this is twine, right? I can only assume that that's what it is. And it does like mold. It has like a wire in it. So I picked up this, and then I got just kind of like just, I don't know, separate leaves. And I got these little teeny tiny bobby pins. So I think I'm gonna like make garland and like, did I say bobby pins? Clothespins? And like clothespin the leaves on. And I think I'm gonna maybe like put some like fall recipes on like index cards, or like maybe hang some more pictures from our wedding or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to just kind of figure this out. I got this big burlap bow, which I thought was really cute, and my thought was on my chalkboard to like put the bow like in the corner or something. I don't know, we'll see, but I really liked that. And then the last thing I got was this like, cute little like stand-up pumpkin. He was what, 14 bucks, and like I said, all of their fall decor was on sale for 40% off, so that is great. So I want to put this on my counter, so ideally what my kitchen, like my little corner, is going to look like is probably something like this. I'm not sure, but I like that idea. I think that would be cute. We'll see. I'm still going to work on it, but that's the plan. So that's all I got. I'm really sad. Like, we're so, like, you guys know, I talked about it before, but like, we're so poor. Like, we don't have a ton of money to like decorate or anything like that. So everything at Hobby Lobby was under $35. And then, like I said, this chalkboard was $8. So I think that's pretty good. I'm going to hit up the Dollar Tree and see what I can grab there. If you guys want that video, let me know. I can definitely film them. So I'm gonna hit up the Dollar Tree and see what I can get there. Feifei, don't eat the pumpkin. My cat, man. My cat. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up the Dollar Tree and see what I can find there. But yeah, I'm happy with everything I got, but I just can't believe how expensive everything is. Like, seriously, like $70 for like a wreath, and like it's not real flowers, like they're fake flowers. Like, I don't know, I feel like that's expensive. Maybe I'm just like out of touch with, I don't know, with like decorations, but I feel like that's expensive. I don't know, let me know. But anyway, that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come back next week for cooking and cleaning week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.